Hello children, in this chapter of human body, the excretory system, we studied that excretion is a process by which metabolic waste are removed from the body of the organism. In the human body, there are different organs like the lungs, kidney, liver and skin which help in the process of excretion. After that we studied the human excretory system, that is the human excretory system, which consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So this is the diagram and we studied the structure in detail, and we also saw the role of kidney in the filtration of the blood, and we also studied about the different parts, what is their role in the excretion, right? After that we studied about the common disorders of the urinary system. Two disorders we studied: the UTI, that is urinary tract infection, and kidney stone. After that we studied a special case of kidney failure also, right? So all these things we have studied in our chapter of human excretory system, right? So now we are going to discuss about the questions, right? So you will first have your textbook in your hand to mark the answers, right? And then you will go to page number 94. Page number 94, right? So page number 94, section 1, question number A, name the following. The first one is the structural and functional units of kidney. Answer: nephron. Straw colored liquid that is removed by kidneys. Answer: urine. An organ that stores urine temporarily before it is released. Answer: urinary bladder. The tube originating from the renal pelvis. Answer: ureter. The bacterium causing UTI. Answer: E. coli. So these are the answers for name the following. Coming to choose the correct option. First one, which of the following is the outer dark region of the kidney? Answer: cortex. The excretory organs are: answer: kidneys and lung. The blood vessel carrying metabolic waste into the kidney is: answer: renal artery. Next, the excess amino acid is changed into urea by: answer: liver. Next, before being removed from the kidneys, the urine is collected in: answer: renal pelvis. Question number C, write true or false. Correct the false statement by changing the last word. First one, apart from excretion, the other function of kidney is secretion. False. In place of secretion, you will be writing osmoregulation. Next, the function of kidney is to filter urine. Answer: false. To filter blood. So in place of urine, you will be writing blood. Next, the urinary bladder stores urine temporarily. True. The opening of urethra is controlled by a valve. False. In place of valve, you will be writing sphincter muscles. Sphincter muscles. Next, high concentration of calcium oxalate can cause kidney stones. True. Come to the next one. Choose the odd one out and give reason for your choice. Now here you have to choose the odd one, and then you should be writing why you are considering that one as the odd one out of the others. So here we are having the first one: ureter, urethra, bladder, cortex. So the odd one out over here is cortex. Why? See, cortex is the outer region of the kidney, whereas ureter, urethra and bladder, they are the three different organs related to the human excretory system. Next, carbon dioxide, glucose, urea, uric acid. The odd one is carbon dioxide because it is removed through the lungs, whereas glucose, urea and uric acid, they are removed through the kidney. Next, cortex, medulla, pelvis, ureter. The odd one is ureter. The reason is that The ureter is the part of excretory system, whereas others are the part of the kidney. Okay. Next, kidney, skin, stomach, lung. The odd one is stomach, because stomach is not or you can say stomach is involved in the digestion process, whereas kidney, skin and lung, they are involved in the excretion process, right? Coming to the next one, state the exact location of the following organs. First one is kidneys. For that you will go to page number 90. Here we are having the location of the kidney. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped reddish brown structures located just above the waist, one on each side of the backbone. So that is the location of the kidneys, located just above the waist, one on each side of the backbone. The next one is nephrons. So you can write nephrons are present in the kidney. Nephrons are present inside the kidney. Okay. Next, renal medulla. Answer is renal medulla, inner lighter part of the kidney. Inner lighter part of the kidney is the renal medulla. Next, ureter. Go to page number 91 and then we will be discussing about the urethra also. Okay. So go to page number 91. Here page number 91. We are having ureter. Ureters are a pair of tube-like structures that originate from the renal pelvis of both kidneys. Okay. So what is the location? They originate from the renal pelvis of both the kidneys. Right. After that, we need to discuss about the next one, that is the urethra. Okay. So go for page number 91 once again. The urethra is a short muscular tube that arises from the lower end of the urinary bladder. So what is the location? It arises from the lower end of the urinary bladder. Okay. So with that we finish with the state the exact location, and we finish with the section 1 question answers, right?